Hello and welcome back to our series. For today's video, we're going to make it easy for our site visitors to reach us by creating a contact section. Let's get started. The first thing we need is a section to put our contact form onto. You can use a section that came with a template you selected from before, or you can add a new one. It depends on you. If you would like to add a new one, go to the Add Section button on the left. Go to Contact and select a contact layout that you like. You can then drag and drop your selected contact layout onto your page, but in my case, I'm going to be using the one that came with my template, this one. So what's missing here is just the contact form. In order to add a contact form, we're going to go to the plus button and we're going to go to Contact and Forms. Let's go to Contact. And over here, we're going to select a form that we would like to use. I like to use this one, so let's drag and drop it onto our page. And there we have it. I would also like to make sure it stays within the grid lines. So let's adjust it. If you'd like to edit the contents of your contact section quickly, well, click on the entire section and click on the pencil icon over here. And here on the right panel is where we can easily edit out its contents. So if you want to change your strip background or your column background, you can do so, which I'm going to do. So I'm going to change this image into our image. Let's select an image that we want to use and click on Change Background. Now let's work on the title. So in case you'd like to change your title, you can go ahead and do so. The same for your text paragraph or description here. In my case, I'd like to leave it be. I think it already looks nice as it is. And if in case you'd like to edit your form or its form fields, you can close this panel, click on it, and click on Edit Form. And this is where you can edit your form. You can add even more fields over here, and you can edit a field by clicking on it and clicking on settings. And over here is where you can tweak the settings. Say, for example, if in case you'd like to edit the field title, to enable required field, hide field, placeholder text. Once you're done working on your form, click on Save. And if in case you would like to change the design or the appearance of your form, you can click on it and click on Settings. Go to the Design tab, and over here is where you can edit your form background color, form fields, header and paragraph, as well as buttons design. So go ahead and edit it however you like to. Once you're done, double check to see if everything looks all right, and if everything's okay, click on Save to save your progress. And basically, that's it. You now have a beautiful and functional contact section. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and subscribe for more Wix tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope to see you guys in the next video.